What's up? It's kind of nice out today. Feels like it might be 45, 50 degrees. I'm a little overdressed, but we're going to the shop here to work. Oh, guess I better unlock the door before I walk into it, huh? We're gonna get the corn planter tore down a little bit. Take the gauge wheels off, inspect some other parts, walk you through what's going on with it. Let's get started. All right, I got the impact out. It's a 15/16 bolt goes in there. We're gonna pull that off there. Just like that. Now, these are the seed disc openers. You can see down inside there, that's where the seed comes out at. Those would be the next things to come off and get inspected. We got new ones to go on. We'll get all the gauge wheels pulled off, and then we'll go through and take off the openers. Well, we're already into the fun ones here. The wing wheels right in the way to get to those with the impact. It's pretty tight in there, so we're just gonna put the ratcheting open-end wrench on them and drop those off there. Should come off fairly easy, I'm guessing. I don't think it'll be a big deal. Not finger loose yet. Okay. Got that one off. Wasn't too bad reaching up in there. Is this no space to work? I don't know if that'll roll out of here or not. Nope. So I have to let that one sit in there for now. It's a little too tight to come out of there. Probably have to go out of the front with it. No big deal. We got 22 more of them to take off, so we'll just stay busy and keep taking them off. Now that we got both the tough ones off, we're back to the easy ones, using the impact. That sure is a lot quicker and easier to just zip it off there with that. Probably ought to measure those seed discs just to be sure they're worn out. We've already bought the new ones. We can always take them back if I deem that these ones will work. I don't remember when we measured them. We had a quote drawn up to upgrade the planter to the electric row units and some of the nicer packaging, the hydraulic downforce. It was gonna be expensive, so we chose to hold off on that. We'll probably just buy a whole new planter as opposed to updating this one. But that's not on the radar right now. Right now we're just worried about making sure the parts we got work. Get a measurement of this here. Pretty sure those are gonna be all right. I don't know. Those might work out. Come over here and we'll check the new ones and see what they look like. Those are 15 as well. I don't know if we need openers. If we bought them and probably didn't need to. Jump the gun on that one. They'll take them back. We can return them. Not a big deal. see here. Ah. There's one back on. Then we got these ones that are gonna be a pain in the butt to put back on, but whatever. Gotta do it. Ain't got no choice in it. There, we got that one back on too now. That was a little pain in the butt. What we got? Boy, them ratchet wrenches sure are a nice thing to have. Sure beats having to use the old opening wrenches, because that took forever. One last one to throw back on. Maybe I'll leave this one off just to show Dad that it was the measurement that I got was the actual measurement, that I'm not going crazy. All right, now we got some of the gauge wheels off. We're gonna pop off these dust caps here. Take that nut off, pull this disc off. We get a better measurement on it. I think I was measuring it a little wrong. We'll get a good accurate measurement on it and be able to go from there. I'm not sure what size this even takes. Feels like that one there to me. We'll find out. These are reverse threads, so you actually run them in the tightening on the gun to loosen them. Otherwise, they would loosen themselves in the field and fall right off. That's the seed boot, where the seed comes down from up in there, comes down there, and drops out of there into the ground. I'll have to get these measured up here and see what they say. Where did I put the tape measure? Find the tape measure here. There we go. Get a way better reading on them like this instead of measuring them on the planner. 14 3/4. 15's new, 14 and a half's change. I guess I'm just gonna have to run these one more year. They're not quite wore out enough, which is fine. We bought new ones already, but it's okay to save them to next year. Did a good job planting. We're all tillage on our corn acres, so it shouldn't be a problem getting the seeds in the ground. Thinking about maybe checking a few more of them just to get an accurate reading. But I mean, if one's wore out, the rest of them be wore out. They're all on the ground at the same time. You really can't do much to wear one out more than the other one. Well, after a brief powwow with Dad, we're deciding we're gonna run these ones. These are just not wore out enough. Still got a 1/4 inch of wear on them. And I'm not trying to spend the money on the new stuff without getting our money out of this. If that makes sense to you guys. You know, I don't want to be replacing stuff before it needs to be. All right, well, I guess I had some camera issues there. It cut off while I was putting the disc back on, but we got the disc back on there and we got the gauge wheel back on. I'll bolt it back down and torque to spec. Ooh, we did get some cool new stuff today. We got a field seal toolbox here for the combine. These things are sweet. Nice big rubber seal on the outside here. Plenty of organized storage for all your sockets, your open end wrenches. It's got this real nice fold down tray, workspace. It's got internal trays that come out. We got some up in here I see that are magnetic and they come out. Oh yeah, this is gonna be really nice. A lot more fancy than I thought it was gonna be. To be honest with you, when we ordered, I didn't know it had all this extra storage down in there. Cool. Want one for my planting tractor now, but I already got a nice toolbox that I keep in my truck, so I really don't need to buy another one. But these are sweet. Check these things out. I think they're by Ag Storm. called Field Seal. They're pricey, but you'll be happy with your money spent on this one, guys. X-Storm. I went down to the dealer today and picked this box up here. All these goodies. And here, JD Link modem. Let's see if we can't open this up and see what these toys look like. Should be a new 7500 globe and a new G5 Plus display for inside the tractor. We bought one of these kits last year. We're really happy with it. Oh yeah, there's the new globe. Sweet. We're gonna run RTK on our guidance this year. It's a lot more accurate. We're gonna run that in the sprayer and the planting tractor, and then we'll put one of these monitors in the combine during fall to make sure we got that covered and down to the, I think it's sub quarter-inch accuracy or something. It's crazy how accurate the new stuff is with the built-in RTK. So now we'll have all the same screens in our important tractors. The only tractor that has an old screen in it will be the tillage tractor with the ATU 300 steering on it. We have like a 4240 display in there. It just runs tillage. We don't need anything fancy. Well, I guess wraps it up for shop work today. Wasn't a whole lot, but we got something done. A couple steps further. It's really foggy this morning. Got some rain in Tecumseh. We went down to the dealer and it was pouring down there. Up here we didn't get any rain at all. Go figure. We don't need it. I'd take a little precipitation. We were dry all last year. So I'll take a little bit of the rain, but we didn't get it. We'll have to wait and see if we get some tomorrow. Oh, we did get another new toy today. The new mower showed up. It's brand new 26 Z930M with a 60-inch cut. Wheels on it. We really like these mowers, if you can't tell, because we have the same one from last year. We get a new one every year. We trade them. This one's actually for sale if anybody's interested. Year old. I think it's got like 33 hours on it or something. Here, I'll check if you can see that or not. It's 33.9 hours. Basically brand new. Fresh sharp blades on it. It's ready to go. I think we were asking right around 12,000 for that. 11.5, 12.5, I don't know. Give me an email or shoot me a text or whatever, Facebook message if you're interested in it. Yeah, it's been a real good mower, so we just get a new one every year. Nothing really wrong with it. Just got the new one, ready to get rid of the old one. Let me know. And we're still waiting on the cylinder for this. I think Dad called. He was waiting for a call back to see if they'd got it rebuilt or if we'll have to buy a new one. We couldn't find seals online, so we took it to the shop, dropped it off to them, see what they got to say. Waiting for the call back. It'd be nice to get this thing back together and get it out of here. Get that hub up there on there so I can get it buttoned up and ready to go. So when we're trying to use it, we can just hook up and go. Pretty much it for today's video. Did some errands this morning, so I went to the dealer and got those parts and hung around. Kind of rainy, foggy, nasty day. Taking our time on the planter. Not real hurry to get it ready. We got plenty of time. It'll be here before we know it though, so I probably should get my button gear fairly soon. Got an air compressor still to order for it and the fold box for in the cab. We're getting it though. It's just picking away at it. It's piece by piece. We don't have a lot of maintenance to do, but we should probably get it done in a timely fashion. Be all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching and hanging out, and I'll check you later.